like to take a moment to talk about warm downs. Diagnostics to know what you just did to your face. It can be a good way to gauge how fatigued your chops are. Check your soft notes to see if the threshold has shifted. Warm downs are descendant in nature, so no more heavy lifting. Warm downs also make it way easier to play the next day, especially after a demanding and taxing performance. Here's a good example of a warm down. Now you try it at home. To recap, make sure that you warm down after a long day of practicing or performing. A hard performance, nothing better beats a warm down to get your chops more relaxed. Speaking on that, there's another thing I think people don't talk about enough. Just maintenance of your chops as far as like keeping the blood flowing in your fingers. Sometimes I massage my fingers to get the blood flowing really well, like that. Do exercises to stretch them out. Also, I'll massage my face right around in those areas where you have the most tension. The goal is to get the blood circulating the best way possible so you can get the best results. I literally never hear people talking about these things, but in order to be great, I feel like this is a great process for you for self-maintenance for your chops, you know, it's very important. Warming down and self-care.